have a lot more crystal clear and crisp understanding of our professional careers. A person might have X number of years of experience, but it is difficult to compile all of that in a couple of sentences when you need to meet a new person. So having that nutshell kind of result because of the pilot program, I think that's a very good fruitful result. Meet a new person when you're searching for new opportunities. You have like 15 or 20 seconds to tell what you are, what you do, and I think that's the best thing. To start off, I actually reached out to a lot more people than when I was reaching out to people before the program. This helped immensely. The program helped immensely because there is a very thin line when you reach out to a friend after a couple of years looking for a job opportunity. So the program actually conditioned the mind in a way where you do not just have to be on the friend side or on the professional side. There's a very thin line that you walk on. And the program actually helped us understand that thin line and leverage that thin line to our most benefits. The program actually gives you an opportunity to utilize your free time, but still doing something professionally good for the program and for your career prospects. So this was a different thing than some of the other things that we have gone through the last couple of years, which is a very good positive for us. Oh, definitely. As I told, it gives us an immense opportunity to reach out to more and more new people. When a runner runs for 10 seconds, it's actually the 4 years of practice that he has had for the Olympics. This is like that 4 years of practice. You can, complete yourself in that 10 seconds. So definitely that.